Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can do the barrel roll skill in Forza Horizon 6. Now probably the easiest way to complete this skill quickly is by using a custom event that has a ramp setup for it. I actually made a simple custom event myself with a small ramp that works pretty well for this challenge. So if you don't want to spend time creating your own event, you can just look for mine in the event list and use that instead. This is the share code of the event in case you want to use it. Now to perform the barrel roll, what you need to do is hit the ramp at an angle, and while your car is in the air, you want the vehicle to rotate sideways. Basically, you want the car to spin using one side until it completes a full 360-degree roll. Let me quickly show you what it looks like. The setup is very simple. I just placed a ramp here, then all you need to do is drive onto it properly and your car should start rotating in the air. Alright, there we go. That one actually counted, even though the landing was not perfect, and honestly, the roll itself was kind of messy. The game still registered it as a successful barrel roll skill. So yeah, once you get the angle right, it is actually pretty easy to do. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.